Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get any game unblocked. So I'm sorry if the last video did not work for you guys, but it did for me for a while and then they caught on to it. So this one should be really good. So I can't use my school account for reasons that they see my YouTube channel. So if you guys watch this video, you guys can try this on your school account. I know for sure it works because I can't screen record my school account. So I'm gonna do the best as I can. So if you type in defly.io, it's gonna be unblocked for me. This will pop up, but for you guys, it will not pop up. So first, you're gonna want to type in hey, backspace hey, defly.io. You want to type that in. And this works with any website. And you're going to want to go on one of these. This one says Unblock, but this one says this. After you do that, then you're going to want to click Control U. And the reason you don't want to click on the website is it's blocked for you guys. So right now I'm on Google, and Google should be unblocked. So you click Control U, then click Control A, and then Control C. After you've done that, you can X out of this. Then you want to type in, what was that? Hold on. Sorry, I was having technical difficulties. Real time HTML. Type that in. And right here, real time HTML editor. Click on that. And that should be unblocked. If not, I'm sorry. And keep what is typed up. And then click Control V to what you had. And right here, your screen should pop up right here. You can make this bigger. Spot right there, and then it will. And you guys can either click on this, or you can even type in say you want to go. My school blocks any MP4 videos, but iHeartRadio, you can do never mind. You have to do each one in manually. So what you searched is what you get. So right here, you can play this game, and it loads up and everything. But you have to do each one, and not every one works, but I know this one works. BTD battles, a lot of other games work that you can do. So I'm gonna show you guys if this thing works. And mostly all the websites work on it. And yeah, this app works. So I was just giving you guys this you guys could do because I know some of my friends that go to different schools are saying oh, this didn't work for me, and my school did fix that. So you have to use real-time HTML editor to get any game unblocked without resetting your Chromebook or doing anything like that. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. My last video, people commented. I tried to comment back as soon as possible, but I will comment back to you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And thanks.